punished.
Hello everyone, my name is Gavin. Today going to read Hot at the Dam. Page 1. Pam can run to the dam. She can run with Pat. They can run and run. Page 2. Sam can hop to the dam. Sam can hop with Nan. They can hop and hop. Page 3. Pam and Pat are hot. Sam and Nan are hot. Page 4. Nan and Pat can hop in the lake. Sam and Pam can hop in with Nan and Pat. Page 5. Pam and Pat sat on a mat. The mat is on top. Pam and Pat had to get hairs. Page 6. Sam, Nan, and Pat sat at the dam. They had to get hairs. They were hot. Page 7. Pat and Pam can get a tan. Nan and Sam can get a tan on the mat at the dam. Page 8. They had sat and had ham at the dam. They had pop with the ham. Goodbye, see you later. Oh yeah.